So hello guys, welcome to my session. So today we will show you how do you install the Terraform on your local machines. So this is my local machines and this is the Windows 11. So if you go there properties and this you can see it is the Windows 11. So let me show you also. Just open the command prompt. If you go here type Terraform. So you can see like Terraform is not recognized. It means Terraform is not installed in my local machine. So first you have to install the Terraform. So for that you have to go to the browser and then type download Terraform for Windows 11. Then you will go on the first you have to go to this website www.terraform.io and you have to download like Terraform. Like you have to go to AMD 64 because you have running with the 64-bit operating system. So select Windows. If you have Linux machine, then go to Linux and follow the same path. Like if you have CentOS or Fedora or like Ubuntu, then you have to follow the same process. You have to run this command. But right now we have the Windows machine, so we have to download the plugins. So I am just click on AMD 64. So this is zip version, so you have to open this folder. So go to download, show in folder. So I have already downloaded and pasted in this folder. So you have to create one folder with any of the name code and you have to copy your zip file here and you have to extract it. So I have to extract it and then I will got this Terraform exe file. So you have to copy this path where you have pasted your zip file and you have to extract it. Okay, so just go to those folder and then copy the path and then open the environment variable env. So in the control plane, go to this system variable, environment variable, go to this system variable, select the path and click on edit. Then you can see there is no environment. We haven't defined the path of the Terraform, so you have to go to click the new button and then paste what the path you have copied from the file explorer. So you have to go there, Windows machine C, go to the folder code and go to this folder Terraform 1.29, then copy this path, then paste it here. So I pasted here the C code Terraform 1.29 Windows AMD 64, then click on OK, OK and OK. Now open the command prompt, then type Terraform version. So now you can see. So earlier it was saying that the Terraform is not installed, so they are not found the Terraform command. Now after the installation you can get the version of the Terraform on Windows AMD 64. So in this way you can install the Terraform on your local machine, then you can run all the Terraform commands. Okay, so thanks for watching. Thank you.